Hi everybody, this is the install I'm doing on a 2021 Kawasaki Brut 750. Just doing a little light bar. Showing you how I did it. Picked up these bar mounts, that you don't have to drilling holes in your rack. I think it's called a Knight horizontal bar clamp mounting kit. I also bought the Knight wiring harness. Just so I can have a switch and everything and have it fused in a relay. So what I did, instead of running a wire all the way back to the battery and whatnot, I wanted it to be switchable. I didn't know exactly where to tie into it. So what I did is I just took this off, this guy right here, just 3 bolts around the steering column, flipped it over. I got some inline splices you'd use for like trailer wiring. So I just tied this in directly into the charging port cigarette lighter. It's 15 amp. I threw a 15 amp fuse in here. Lots of extra wiring, so I just tucked all that in here. So basically, comes with these leads that you would normally, put on your battery terminal. But I wanted it to be switchable when the bike came on and off, so it didn't accidentally get turned on and transport and drain my battery or something. So the vehicle's got to be on. I think they have accessory wiring for that as well, but I don't know where they're at. So there, and again, I inline wired it to the cigarette lighter. Came with a little light plug. I'm drilling the hole now to side mount that. I don't have quite a big enough drill bit, so I'm circling it around, and basically just ran the wire best I could. It had came with all the little clips and wire brackets you need. Ran it into the over the radiator, back down, up into, I'll call it by the steering column. Popped it up through the steering column. I took all the extra wiring, zip tied it in, and that's basically it. Not too terribly difficult. And I just tap it into that, and then my little zoom light I got on Amazon for like 17 bucks. This whole project probably cost me 65 bucks. So it says it's 8,000 lumens. So I'll give you a show of what it looks like afterwards. But yeah, I first started thinking I was going to wire it back there, but I decided it'd be better to have it come on with the bike. Alright, be back shortly with the cleaned up final edition here. Okay, so I honed out that hole. Actually, it's probably smaller than that plastic light switch. I didn't want to, because my drilling method was a matter of trying to wiggle this guy around until I got the hole big enough. But popped it in. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put the wiring in on it from over here, and then we will see what it looks like all done. And I took a picture of where the wires go before I did it. That's always a good idea. If you don't know, you have a lot of wires you're messing with, take a picture beforehand. All right. Okay, this is the final product. I got it so I plug into that ACC plug. That comes on with the ignition. So you can see right there. So that's the benefit of tying it into that. With those inline splices, makes it a lot simpler. And throws out a decent amount of light. So fairly simple. Probably took about, I don't know, hour and a half, 2 hours. But yeah, easy, nice little mod. Doesn't affect the handlebars the way it's mounted underneath it like that, and away from the bars a little bit. This can come off if you ever want to move it in the future, and you'd never know the difference. All right, gentlemen, y'all have a good one.